participating. And if we refuse?
Maybe I'm not getting through to you. It's news to me that it's news to you. To which degree, who answers to who? We could go on and on, but in the end, who are we kidding? My trust infinity, am I getting through? Seems our regime has plummeted so. Don't need to scream, it's going good to mouth. Why bite the hand of ease when it's the only hand you're getting? It's time you see that this great marquee is the only place to ever gonna be. Just drop on in and take it on the stick. And don't forget who's running the show. Now look at that. Absolute bliss. Oh, what a shot. Watch where you walk. I'm the host, I run the place. Making out his money. Unenthused, just feeling used. Oh, what a good damn thing. Congratulations, all of my friends. Public relations are getting acquainted. Put on your Sunday best because I'm nowhere close to quit. So play the games and just ignore the things. That's all that remains is how I from your brain. Everyone to me doesn't fantasy. Someone who's running the show.